Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix blurry or soft image on your XIAOMI G27Qi monitor. So first of all, to sharpen your image, make sure that you're using the highest possible resolution in your system. To do that, go to Settings. Then in Settings, you have to go to System, then go to Display, and then scroll down to Display Resolution and adjust the resolution. Also, you can adjust the scale because if your scale is way too high, it will make it's easier for you to see things, but it will make your image softer. So if I use 100, for example, this will make the image the sharpest, but I would prefer to sacrifice that for my eye health and use at least 125 with this monitor. Now the next thing is checking out the monitor settings. So reach out for the joystick, press it once, then drag it to the right, and then you can enable the game mode as it is the sharpest option. So you can go with game mode, or if you don't want to, you can still adjust the sharpness manually in the default modes. In picture mode, just go with standard or movie mode. Do not use the energy saving mode. And here you can scroll down to sharpness and manually increase it like this. So if your picture doesn't seem too sharp, then you can fix it in here. And also you can go to advanced and enable FreeSync, which will also improve this situation. And you can also go for HDR if you'd like to. Just go select HDR, turn it on, and if it's not too bright for you, then it definitely should be one of the sharpest options that you can get. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.